Hello, dear learner. In this video, we are going to work through a WAEC Mathematics past question together. If you are preparing for your WAEC, JAMB, or GCE exams, QandAHelp provides a focused environment for this kind of practice. Preparing for your standardized exams is a big step, and having a clear plan for these questions makes the process much more manageable. Let's look at question 9. It asks, it takes Y years for 87,300 naira to amount to 99,522 naira at 7% per annum simple interest. Find the value of Y. Our options are 4, 5, 2, or 3. I'm going to show you how to extract those numbers, solve for time using a clear step-by-step process, and then share a shortcut you can use when you're under pressure in the exam hall. This specific question structure appears in almost every WAEC financial mathematics paper, so learning this pattern now will help you whenever you see it on your own exam. First, we pick out our known values. The principal, or starting money, is 87,300. Our final amount is 99,522, and the rate is 7%. The unknown value we are looking for is time, represented by Y. Think of the principal like a seed you plant. The interest is the extra fruit that grows over time. The final amount is just your original seed plus all that extra fruit. To find the interest, we subtract the principal from the amount. Here, that's 99,522 minus 87,300. This calculation shows that 12,222 naira in interest was earned. We must calculate this interest first because you cannot find time without knowing the exact profit. Now we use our standard formula. Simple interest equals principal times rate times time divided by 100. Let's substitute the values we found. 12,222 goes here with our principal, rate, and Y on the right. First, we multiply 87,300 by 7, which gives us 611,100. Now we divide that by 100. Removing those zeros simplifies the number to 6,111. This leaves us with a very simple equation. 12,222 equals 6,111 multiplied by Y. To isolate Y, we divide both sides of the equation by 6,111. That division gives us exactly 2, so Y is 2 years. Looking back at our options, that means the correct answer is option C. Writing out each of these small steps during the exam helps you avoid simple errors in your calculations. On exam day, every single second counts. So let's look at a way to get this result even faster. We can rearrange the formula to find time directly. Time equals 100 times simple interest, divided by principal times rate. Plugging in our numbers, 100 times 12,222 over 87,300 times 7 moves quickly. This gives us 1,222,200 divided by 611,100. One final division gives us 2 years. It's the same result, but with fewer algebraic steps to manage. Learning these rearranged formulas gives you a reliable way to save time for the more difficult questions later in the paper. Let's recap the method. Extract your variables, subtract to find the interest, substitute into the formula, and solve. Here is a quick quiz. If a principal of 10,000 naira amounts to 11,500, what is the simple interest? Subtracting the principal from the amount gives you 1,500 naira. It helps to visualize these numbers as physical naira banknotes. Connecting the equation to real currency makes the math feel more practical. Try one more. Find the time if the interest is 2,000 naira, the principal is 20,000, and the rate is 5%. Using our shortcut, we find the time is exactly 2 years. You've done great work today. We've confirmed that option C is the correct answer for question 9. For more detailed walkthroughs like this for your WAEC, JAMB, or GCE prep, visit QandAHelp.com and remember to subscribe to the channel for more updates. Practicing with these logical steps helps turn confusing word problems into a clear plan of action. See you in the next lesson.